my loves. So I ask that you guys stand with me and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you guys are just joining, my name is Melaninbanc. Hello. If you're not yet subscribed, just go ahead and click that subscribe button really quick. And if you are yet subscribed, just go ahead and also click that bell so you get the post notifications every time I do post a new video. Now for this video, I'm just going to recreate one of my favorite beauty YouTubers, and that is Alissa Ashley. Yes, so I will be creating one of Alissa Ashley's look. This one is the Easy Glam Eye Makeup, and I will obviously add the link in the description box below, and I'll also add the screen on the page right here. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to recreate this look. I've already done my brows and added my base, the foundation, concealer. I've kind of contoured a little bit. So I am just gonna go into the eye look with Alissa. So please keep watching. So I don't have this particular eyeshadow palette from NYX, but I do have the Tartelette Toasted palette from Tarte, and it seems like a lot of the colors are pretty similar. A lot of the shades are pretty similar, so I think I'd be using this and also my Modern Renaissance palette just to substitute for some of the shades that she used, and see what we can come up with. So for primer, I am going in with the Sigma Eye Base shade. Eyeshadow base. What am I talking? I'm using the Sigma eyeshadow base, and this one is in Composed.
First thing I'm going to do is prime my eye. I'm going to take a little bit of eye primer and just apply it to my whole eye.
So a fluffy brush and a light tan shadow. So I'm going to be using Warmth from the Tartelette Toasted palette.
I'm going to go ahead and take a fluffy brush and a light tan shadow, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade.
So that's been applied. Let's see what's next.
With the shadow,
for the deeper shade, I'm going in with Realgar from Modern Renaissance palette.
I'm going to take a shade deeper, not too deep, and I'm going to apply this right on top. We're doing this to add some dimension, because if I just do one flat shadow and then move on to this shimmer and then move on to this, the eye look is just going to look not so complete. It's also going to look flat, so you want to add some dimension when doing a look like this. Shadow for the top part, we're going to take a shade even deeper, but again, not too deep. We do not want this to be super duper deep, so we're just kind of building up the intensity in the crease area without making it too intense. I'm going to apply our other shade, which has a little more sparkle to it. Next step, I'm going to go ahead and create a wing liner. Just kind of pulls it together. I feel like if the lashes are almost too thin, it may look just not as... I go ahead and apply a off black eyeshadow. I actually took this shade in the Love You So Mochi palette and then put that shadow on. Here is the finished eye look, really nice and sultry. And this eye look can actually pair well with a lot of lip shades.
So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!